how to add an extra layer of security to your LinkedIn account. Here's how to enable two-step verification on your iPhone or Android device. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings. Now, tap Sign In and Security. Scroll down and tap Two-Step Verification. Next, tap Setup. Choose your preferred verification method, such as an authenticator app or phone number, depending on what's available for your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you're using an authenticator app, scan the QR code and enter the verification code it generates. If you're using SMS, enter the code sent to your phone. Once the verification is successful, tap Turn On or Done if prompted. From now on, LinkedIn will ask for a verification code whenever you sign in from a new or unrecognized device, helping keep your account more secure. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips